Imagine walking into a school cafeteria where the aroma of fresh, locally sourced meals fills the air. This isn't just a dream, it's the reality of nature-based school lunch supply chains. These systems are revolutionizing how we think about food in schools, connecting students with the land, the farmers, and the seasons. Let's break it down. Nature-based supply chains prioritize local and sustainable food sources. Instead of relying on large industrial farms that ship processed foods across the country, schools partner with local farmers who grow fruits, vegetables, and grains right in their communities. This not only reduces the carbon footprint associated with transportation, but also supports local economies. When schools buy from local farmers, they're investing in their own communities, fostering relationships that can last for generations. Now, think about the benefits for students. When kids eat fresh, seasonal produce, they're not just getting better nutrition. They're also learning about where their food comes from. Imagine a classroom where students visit a nearby farm, pick fresh tomatoes, and then return to the kitchen to prepare a meal together. This hands-on experience teaches them about agriculture, nutrition, and the importance of sustainability. It's a lesson that goes beyond textbooks and into their everyday lives. But it doesn't stop there. Nature-based supply chains also encourage biodiversity. By sourcing a variety of crops from local farms, schools can introduce students to a wider array of flavors and nutrients. Instead of the same old apples and bananas, kids might discover dragon fruit or heirloom tomatoes. This exposure can help cultivate adventurous eaters who appreciate the diversity of food and understand the importance of eating seasonally. Moreover, these supply chains can be a powerful tool for combating food waste. When schools work closely with farmers, they can plan their menus around what's in season and what's available. This means less surplus food going to waste and more meals that are perfectly tailored to what's fresh and ready to eat. And let's not forget about composting initiatives that can turn food scraps back into rich soil, closing the loop in a sustainable cycle. Of course, implementing nature-based supply chains isn't without its challenges. It requires collaboration between schools, farmers, and local governments. There are logistical hurdles to overcome, like ensuring consistent delivery schedules and maintaining quality standards. But the rewards far outweigh the difficulties. Schools that embrace this model often see increased student engagement and satisfaction. When kids are excited about their meals, they're more likely to eat healthy foods and less likely to waste them. In conclusion, nature-based school lunch supply chains are about more than just food. They're about creating a culture of sustainability, education, and community. By connecting students with local farmers and fresh ingredients, we're not just feeding them, we're nurturing a generation that values health, sustainability, and the environment. This is the future of school lunches, and it's a future worth investing in.